Hello, everyone. Welcome back to A1 English Podcast, the English podcast made for real conversations, real life, and real learning.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jack. We are so glad you are here with us today.
Before we start, if you are learning English and you want to improve every single day, please like this episode and subscribe to A1 English Podcast.
Today, we are going to talk about one word, just one, but this one word has more than 50 different meanings in English.
50? Seriously?
50, maybe more. But today, we are not going to learn all 50. That would take too long.
Good, because that sounds very scary.
We are going to learn the 10 most important ones, the ones you will use every single day in English. And I promise, by the end of this episode, this word will feel like your best friend.
And that word is get. G-E-T. Get. The most powerful small word in the English language.
If you can use get correctly, your English will sound so much more natural, like a real English speaker.
So let's start. No stress, no complicated grammar rules, just real English, real conversations, real life.
Let's go. Okay, Jessica, let me ask you something. When you first learned the word get in English, what did your teacher tell you it means?
I think they told me get means to receive something, like I get a gift.
Exactly. That is what most students learn first. But then one day you're watching an English movie and someone says, "I don't get it." And you think, wait, receive what?
Yes, that is so confusing.
Or someone says, "Get out of here." Or "She gets tired easily." Or "Let's get going." And suddenly, receive doesn't help you at all.
So what is get exactly?
Great question. Here is the simple truth. Get is a verb that shows change or movement. When something changes, we often use get. When someone moves to do something, we use get. That is the core idea.
Change or movement. I like that. It is simple.
Exactly. Now, the reason people are confused is because get works differently in different situations, but once you understand the patterns, it becomes easy.
So what are we waiting for? Let's learn the 10 meanings.
Let's do it. Okay, meaning number 1. Get equals to receive.
This is the classic one.
Yes, this is what most learners know first. Listen to these examples. I got a letter from my friend. She gets a lot of emails at work. Did you get my message?
So when something comes to you, a message, a gift, a letter, you use get. Easy.
Perfect. Now, meaning number 2. Get equals to buy or obtain.
Oh, like shopping?
Exactly. Listen, can you get some milk from the store? I need to get a new phone. He got a job at a big company. You are obtaining something, buying it, finding it, earning it.
So instead of saying, can you buy some milk? A natural English speaker might say, can you get some milk? They sound the same?
In most situations, yes. Get sounds more natural and relaxed in everyday conversation.
Interesting. Okay, what's number 3?
Meaning number 3. Get equals to become. This is so important. This is where get shows change. Listen, it is getting cold. She got angry. I am getting tired. He got sick last week.
Oh, so when something changes, the weather, a feeling, your health, we use get. Exactly right. Instead of saying, she became angry, which is correct but sounds very formal, in real conversation, we say, she got angry. Much more natural. Let me try. It is getting late. Is that correct?
100% correct. Excellent.
I love this. Okay, meaning number 4?
Meaning number 4. Get equals to arrive or reach a place. When did you get home? What time will you get to the office? We got to the airport at 7.
So instead of when did you arrive home, we say when did you get home?
Yes, Native speakers almost always prefer get here. It sounds natural and easy. So far, we have receive, buy, become, arrive, 4 meanings of get.
You're doing great. Let's keep going.
All right, meaning number 5. Get equals to understand. This one surprises so many learners.
Really? How?
Listen, I don't get it. This means I don't understand. Do you get what I'm saying? Finally, now I get it. When your mind receives information and understands, you get it.
Oh, that is why people say, I get it, when they understand something. I always thought that was strange.
Now it makes sense, right?
I get it. Ha! See what I did there?
Perfect use. Meaning number 6. Get equals to fetch or bring something for someone. Can you get me a glass of water? I'll get your coat. She got the kids from school.
So you are going to get something and bring it back.
Exactly. Movement with a purpose. You go, you get it, you come back. Simple.
Meaning 7?
Meaning number 7. Get plus adjective or past participle equals to cause a change. This is where get gets interesting. Listen, get ready, get dressed. I need to get this fixed. Let's get started.
So get ready means make yourself ready, change your state to ready.
Exactly. Get here is pushing for a change. Get dressed. Change from not dressed to dressed. Get this fixed. Change this broken thing to a fixed thing.
This explains so many phrases. Get married, get paid, get lost. Oh, wait, that can be rude, right?
Yes, get lost can mean go away. I don't want to talk to you. So be careful with that one.
Good to know. And meaning number 8?
Meaning number 8. Get equals to have the opportunity or chance to do something. I don't often get to travel. Did you get to meet him? She never gets to sleep in on weekends.
Oh, so get to is like having the lucky chance to do something?
Yes, it has a feeling of this is special or I am lucky. I got to visit London last year. It means I had the chance and I took it.
Beautiful. So we have 8 meanings now. Receive, buy, become, arrive, understand, fetch, cause a change, have the opportunity. That is a lot from one small word.
And we still have 2 more important ones. All right, meaning number 9. Get equals to catch an illness, transportation, or a person. I got a cold last week. Hurry, we'll get the bus. The police got the thief. She got a virus.
Oh, interesting. So I got sick and I got the bus both use get because something is caught or reached.
Perfect connection. You catch an illness. You get sick. You catch a bus before it leaves. You get the bus. Same idea.
Now I will never forget that one.
And the final meaning, number 10. Get equals phrasal verb starter. This is huge. Get up, get on, get off, get over, get along, get by, get through. All of these are get with a small word that completely changes the meaning.
Oh, wow. That is a lot of phrases.
It is, but here are the most important ones for A1 learners. Get up means to rise from bed or a chair. Get on means to board a bus, train, or plane. Get off means to leave a bus, train, or plane. Get along means to have a good relationship. Get over something means to recover from an illness or from bad feelings.
I got over my cold, recovered from the cold. She got over her ex-boyfriend, moved on from a difficult time.
Exactly. One phrase, 2 very common uses. Now, let's talk about mistakes. Okay, what mistakes do learners make with get? Listen, I am tired is different from I am getting tired. I am tired right now in this moment. I am getting tired It is happening slowly. It is a change. Many learners mix these up.
So the moment matters.
Exactly. Mistake number 2, forgetting to in get to do something. Many learners say, I got travel last year, but the correct form is I got to travel last year. Don't forget the to.
I got to travel. Got to, not just got travel. Got it.
Ha, you did it again. And mistake number 3, confusing get on and get in. Listen carefully. For big public transport like a bus, train, or plane, we say get on and get off. Get on the bus. Get off the train. But for small personal vehicles, a car, a taxi, a small boat, we say get in and get out. Get in the car. Get out of the taxi.
Oh, that is such a small difference, but so important.
Native speakers will immediately notice if you say get in the bus. It sounds a little strange to them.
Good to know. So, get on the bus, get in the car. I will remember that. Okay, Jack, let's practice. Can we have a short conversation that uses get as many ways as possible?
Great idea. Okay, let's pretend it's Monday morning. Jessica, you call me on the phone.
Okay. Ring, ring. Jack, did you get my message this morning?
Oh, no, I didn't get to check my phone yet. I just get up about 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago? It's 9 o'clock. Get dressed. We need to get to the office by 10.
I know. Can you get me a coffee on the way? I'm already getting stressed.
Don't get stressed. Just hurry up. And yes, I'll get coffee for both of us. But hurry, we need to get on the bus in 15 minutes.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm getting ready now. Did you get the project files from Anna?
Yes, I finally got them this morning. And I think I finally get the new system she showed us last week.
Oh, good. I still don't fully get it. Can you explain it to me on the bus?
Of course. Now come on, get moving.
Did you hear how many times we used get in that conversation?
So many, and it sounded completely natural.
That is the power of get. Once you know these meanings, it flows out of you naturally. All right, everyone, let's do a quick review. Today, we learned 10 important meanings of the word get.
Number 1, get means to receive. I got a letter.
Number 2, get means to buy or obtain. Can you get some milk?
Number 3, get means to become. It is getting cold.
Number 4, get means to arrive. When did you get home?
Number 5, get means to understand. I don't get it.
Number 6, get means to fetch for someone. Can you get me some water?
Number 7, get plus adjective means to cause a change. Get ready, get dressed.
Number 8, get to means to have the opportunity. I got to travel last year.
Number 9, get means to catch. I got a cold. We got the bus.
And number 10, get starts hundreds of phrasal verbs. Get up, get on, get off, get over, get along.
Wow, 10 meanings, one powerful word.
Now, here's what I want you to do. After this episode, just for one day, notice every time you hear or read the word get. On TV, in a song, in a text message. See how many meanings you can spot.
It will surprise you how often get appears in English. It is everywhere in English.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand and keep trying. Every time you use get, even if you make a small mistake, your English is improving.
Learning English is a journey, and today you took one more step forward.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. It helps more people find A1 English Podcast.
And subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We upload new content every day to help you improve your English naturally, step by step.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are amazing for being here. Keep going.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.